everyone. How are you doing today? My name is Miss Jessica, and I am a dance teacher with San Francisco Ballet's Dance in Schools and Communities. Today, we are going to celebrate one of the driving forces here in the Mission District of San Francisco. It happens every spring. Do you know what it is? That's right, Carnaval! Carnaval is one of the biggest parts of my life. I started dancing in the parade when I was just a young teenager, and now it is part of my annual routine. In order to celebrate Carnaval, I thought it was really important to celebrate a very strong woman who is a driving force here in the Carnaval scene. Her name is Mitzi Enriquez. Mitzi has been one of my longtime teachers in the Carnaval dance scene, and she's an amazing community activist here in her community. She continues on the legacy of Fuego na Hopa, a Carnaval contingent here in the Mission District of San Francisco. She's also an amazing dancer. I learned a lot from her. Carnaval happens all over the world, but one thing that they have in common is that they connect to the elements of nature. So, we're gonna put together a routine that incorporates earth, water, fire, and air. Come join me. Now, let's bring ourselves to a medium level. We're in a plie. Our heart is to the earth, showing love and appreciation to La Tierra and our ancestors. And let's bring our arms out to the earth. To the earth. Now, from here, let's move up, 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 up into the air like we are flying. Get your wings ready. We go side, side. Take it higher. Now, we are going to continue to dance like a strong wind. One, side. Throw the wind everywhere. Make a tornado. Let's slowly move very liquidy like water down to a low level. Now, let's spark it up like fire, and we're gonna explode out of a volcano. Ready? Alas. Viento. Wow, great job everyone. I really enjoyed dancing with you. I really loved connecting to the different elements of nature with our movement. I noticed that when we were dancing for the earth, we were a little heavy down to the ground, right? We were grounded in our feet. When we were flying, we got a little lighter. And when the wind came, we were using our strong force within our hands to blow the wind different places. And we also did it with our tornado. And then when we came down, like we were water, you kind of switched your texture. You still went a little slow, but you went a little more smooth too. And then at the end, we really used all of our force and our energy to bring us up for our spark of fire. Thank you so much for dancing with me today. Again, my name is Miss Jessica, and I'll see you next time.